directron BS2000 is a fully automated and dedicated buckle attaching machine. Unlike bar tacking and conventional computerized sewing machines, the BS2000 does not require the use of pallets or floppy disks and is extremely easy to operate. Due to the machine's unique bed layout, both full and half buckles can be simply and quickly attached to various thicknesses and widths of strap. Designed into the machine's carriage assembly is Directron's patented parallel pressure transfer system. This innovation allows a force of 30 pounds to be evenly distributed along the entire 3-inch length of the clamping finger. This banknote is only 4/1000ths of an inch thick, and yet it is as tightly held as 3/8 of an inch of hide. The ultra-narrow hardened steel alloy grippers feature smooth flat surfaces, so even the most delicate workpieces can be securely held without marking the finish. For highly accurate stitching, the BS2000 implements 2 Directron innovations. The unit's sturdy single-axis carriage system runs on no less than 12 maintenance-free ball race bearings, which provides complete linearity of the stitch row. Also, the unit's digitally controlled feed system absolutely guarantees the needle will re-enter previous stitch holes on successive stitch rows. Up to a maximum of 5 rows of stitching can be easily selected, as can the number of stitches in each row and the actual stitch size and sewing speed. Damage to the workpiece's surface due to needle scratching when inserting is prevented by the sewing needle automatically reversing above the top clamping finger on completion of a buckle attachment. For convenience, the BS2000 is fitted with an overbed thread cutter and gripper, thus preventing the tangling of cut threads when the next sewing cycle begins. Another unique feature of the BS2000 is the position of the large vertical sewing hook. By locating the hook to the side of the needle, it is possible to stitch over the edges of belts with total confidence in the knowledge that a hook-to-needle collision caused by needle deflection is now impossible. The combination of these varied specialized features found among all models in the Directron product range illustrate the company's total comprehension and appreciation of the concept of automated leather stitching. For purchasing, all the Directron models are available through our worldwide network of distributors, who also provide on-site technical support should the need arise. Backed up by years of experience in the leather industries, Directron are now the leading designers and manufacturers of automated sewing machinery, offering simple solutions to complex problems.